WordPress content is typically split into two types: posts for news articles and frequent content, and pages for static content like the About Us page and the Contact Us page. In the admin panel, if we click the menu items Posts or Pages, we'll get a list view of all the content of the site. If you're logged in as the administrator and viewing the front end of the website, for posts and pages you'll also be shown an edit page link that will take you to the same editor. Let's go ahead and edit the About Us page. As you can see, we have the title, the permalink or URL, which is used to access the page as shown here, the main content of the page or post, and we can also change the featured image on the right hand side. You can upload a new image or choose a previously uploaded image. When uploading an image, be sure to set the alt text. Alt text is used by people with sight difficulties. Specialist software will interpret the image for them and read it aloud. This is also used by search engines to index images. Describe the image here. Copy the alt text and paste it into the title. Once you are done, press Update. If we refresh the page, we can now see the featured image. The page URL has also been changed according to the update that we applied. Each time you save a post or a page, a record of the post or page is recorded in the database. By going to revisions shown on the right and browsing, we can cycle through the various states of the page or post as it has been before. This is good if we need to revert the page or post following an accidental update. Here we can cycle 17 minutes ago by pressing the previous button. Once you have selected the version that you want to restore, click Restore this version. Then simply click Update. We're currently editing a page. Let's go ahead and edit a post. When editing a post, you have some additional controls that you do not have when editing a page. On the right hand side, we can now see categories. These are used for archiving news articles and categorizing them. We can add new categories, and we can remove from current categories. We also have an excerpt field. This is used for introduction text on a post. The excerpt field may not show unless the screen options checkbox is checked, as shown here. We've set a featured image. Now let's insert an image into the main body of the page. Place your cursor where you would like the image to go. Then click Add Media. Here you can pick a previously uploaded image or upload a new one. You'll also be presented with size options. This image was uploaded at 858 pixels wide. A high definition screen is 1980 pixels wide. A mobile device is typically 650 pixels to 750 pixels wide. To get a happy medium between the image quality and the load speed, we currently upload at 1200 pixels wide where possible. If you quickly need to get a reference of how the page is looking, right-click on the permalink and open link in a new tab. As we can see, this shows the page how it is at the moment.